You do not even have to leave your house to get money. All you have to do is take out your phone or computer, sit down in a peaceful area, and start typing. Once you've saved and submitted your work, you'll be paid $30 to $75 every time. However, there is a catch. You must set it up correctly. Creating an account on this site is completely free of charge. To get started, you don't even need to have any writing experience. You can also do this on your computer or on your mobile phone, which can either be an Android or an Apple smartphone depending on your preference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to accomplish it, so make sure to stay through to the end to receive all of my exclusive tips as well as this additional money-making website. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So first and foremost, I'd like you to visit the website typingtest.com. Simply type it into your browser search bar and you'll be taken to its homepage. In order to improve your typing skills, Typing Test provides a free online typing test as well as exciting typing games. This works on both a phone or a computer. The typing exam on this website have been completed by more than 150 million individuals. Now that's a lot of people. Now I'd want you to proceed and click on the typing test button, which can be found on the left-hand side of the website. This will then take you to the next page. As you can see here, you have the option to choose the time duration of the typing test. It's up to you how long you want it to last. The duration may be 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes long. Next, you can select the category of text you wish to type from the drop-down menu. You can select from a variety of typing categories, including easy, medium, hard, story typing, and so on. In the meantime, we'll stick with the 1 minute duration of story typing. Then a new tab will show up. There is a drop-down arrow that you can click to choose what kind of story you want to type. There are a lot of options you can choose from, so click on the story Tigers in the Wild, and then click the Start Test button to begin the test process. Now, as soon as you begin typing, the timer begins to count down and the site begins to measure your typing speed. This exam assesses your typing speed in terms of words per minute, as well as the correctness of the words you type in. Now on this page, right below the choice for typing exams, you can see that they also offer typing courses, which you can enroll in. They provide you with free courses and free training to assist you in increasing your typing speed. Taking advantage of this opportunity is a good thing because in this video, I will show you a few websites that can assist you in earning money online simply by typing, and the faster you type, the more money you can earn. The second website that I'll be introducing to you is Rev.com. Rev provides the unmatched combination of the world's best automatic speech recognition artificial intelligence, and at 60,000 and growing, the world's largest community of speech-to-text freelancers. And it is that combination of AI and people that makes Rev's speech-to-text abilities both exceptionally distinct and absolutely unbeatable. Rev accepts transcription and caption freelancers from the following countries: Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and the United States. This is a legitimate company that has earned the trust of over 170,000 clients from all over the world, representing a diverse range of industries. Companies as well known as Forbes and the New York Times have acknowledged the website's contribution to the society. So as you can see, you can make $1.25 per minute for transcriptions and English subtitles, and a good $3 to $7 per minute when you translate videos with foreign subtitles. You can earn up to $375 just by typing on this website. How incredible is that? For example, if you're from a foreign country and can speak a foreign language, you can help by putting subtitles to videos in that language, because you can make a lot of money translating videos into other languages. As an alternative, if you're absolutely new to the job and don't speak a foreign language, I would recommend audio and video transcription, which pays $1.25 each minute worked. Now, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website, then you will find a white button that says Become a Freelancer. You will be redirected to this page. After clicking on the link Rev Freelancer Jobs allow you to work from anywhere. In Rev, you can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want with their freelancing opportunities. You can make the most of your time by choosing from a wide range of tasks that interest you. There is always a consistent supply of work for freelancers to pick from because of their large customer base. For all job performed, you'll receive on-time weekly payments via PayPal. To register, you simply need to provide basic information such as your first and last name, your email address, and the position you wish to fill. You have the option of selecting between transcriptionist or captioner under position. However, in this case, we will choose transcriptionist. Following that, you should select the country from which you are from. Then following that, click Next. And just like that, you now have an account on Rev. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, I'd like to introduce you to another website where you can sign up for absolutely no cost. The third website I'll introduce to you is TranscribeMe.com. As an industry leader in transcribing, TranscribeMe provides exceptionally accurate, rapid, and secure data tailored to your specific needs. TranscribeMe offers different levels of transcription services that are based on your priorities. Each service offers something different, whether it is quick delivery, higher accuracy, or complete word-for-word transcription. The cost will vary based on the service required, the length of the audio file, and the delivery time required. All transcription services are based on the set rate per audio minute. If you require custom formatting, then you should contact their services team. They accept credit card payments as a standard mode of payment. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover Card are all accepted forms of payment. Here you can now see in the website's dashboard under the services page that they provide services such as artificial intelligence, data sets, speech recognition, data annotation, transcriptions, and translations, among other things. But for the time being, I'd like you to concentrate on the transcription. Here in TranscribeMe website, you can transcribe not long interviews, only 2 to 4 minute clips whenever and wherever. Now, I want you to click the Jobs button found right at the top of the website. This will then take you to a new page about transcription jobs that you can work at the comfort of your home. Afterwards, click the Get Started button to create an account. You'll need to provide your first and last name, email address, and password when registering. Please make sure to use your real email to activate your account. They may also send you job offers via email, so be sure to check your spam folder and the promotional tab to avoid missing any emails from them. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal account information to receive your commissions, as well as your home state and country, time zone you're in, and the language you prefer, and whether or not you are employed or you've done any previous transcription work. They'll need to know a few other things about you before we can proceed. Now that you've filled out the forms and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy of the site, you can go ahead and create your profile. An additional tip: to be able to get accepted on this site, you may send your typing speed results from typingtest.com through email. The faster you type words per minute, the more opportunities you will have. You can now start being a transcriber and earn money that you deserve. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.